খুব মজা, খুবই মজা. This is the best biryani I've ever made in my life. I think it's the first time I've made biryani in a bamboo stick. What an experience, guys. Watch this video till the end to find out exactly how I made this. I'm going to be cooking a recipe today. I want to cook a recipe today, and this is a challenge for me because the dish I want to make today is called a bamboo chicken biryani. It's basically a chicken biryani in a bamboo stick. In this video, I just wanted to show you the step-by-step of how I made this. Step number 1. Go to the village market. Step number 2. Get yourself some bamboos. So, welcome to the bamboo market, guys. Before I buy it, and obviously I need to haggle with these guys. Got my dogs with me. Always chasing me around, following me around. আমার 3 পিস দরকার। 3 পিস দিতে পারবানি?
3 পিস দিলে তো আমার রাস্তা বাসে যাবে। আমার 1000 টাকার বাসে যাবে।
He wants me to buy the whole bash, whole bamboo, because he won't sell me in pieces. So I'm going to have to end up buying the whole bamboo.
একটার দাম হলো 500 টাকা, একটার দাম হলো 1000 টাকা, একটার দাম হলো 800 টাকা।
তোমার আমি 200 টাকা দিমু।
একদম 700 টাকা দিবা।
I think this is the size I want. There you go, that's my bamboo. Need to chop this up now. Yes. That's for 2 people, that's 1 piece. Step number 3. Buy yourself a live chicken. So I picked up a chicken straight from the poultry farm here. As you can see, you can't get a chicken as fresh as this. আচ্ছা মুরগি কত টাকা দিকেন আপনারা বাস বেচুন?
150.
এটা কোন দেশের মুরগ?
এটা তো অস্ট্রেলিয়া।
Did he really say Australian chicken? Australian chicken. আচ্ছা চলো চলো। No. কত হইছে এটা?
294.
No. So there's one thing missing. Step number 4. Get some rice. It's going to be a chicken biryani. To make a biryani, obviously you need rice, right? So I'm going to go and get myself some rice from this grocery shop. And we ended up getting the chinigura rice, which is traditional aromatic rice here in Bangladesh. Step number 5. Make your own stove. You'll need some sort of a tin container and around 6 to 8 bricks. We're going to be cooking on our rooftop terrace. And we're trying to create a space here. This is where I'm going to cook. I've got some bricks and I've got this in some sort of container which I'm going to use to make the stove or the cooker. I'm the master chef here, by the way, and this is Ratul, chef assistant 1. This is Moshur, chef assistant 2. These guys are going to help me cook this bamboo biryani. Traditional dish in Bangladesh is usually served on kolapata or banana leaves. So we got ourselves some banana leaves. So got all my bamboo sticks washed and clean. So I've got my stove ready, as you can see, that's my stove. Step number 6. Let's mix up the spices. So that was bang on 4 pots of rice. So this is our garlic paste here. We have onion and ginger mixed paste, some salt. I got over 1 kilogram of meat off the bone. And this is flour dough, moida, some fresh soybean cooking oil. So I'm gonna mix the chicken with the spice, and I'm using this spice from the UK, my favorite. It's called Shindi Biryani spice, and it's got all the ingredients that you need for a biryani. But this biryani is so special, it's really tasty. I'm gonna mix the spice with the chicken. I'm not gonna add much water to the rice because the chicken contains a lot of water, and also I'm using onions and garlic paste that's got a lot of water in it as well. So that should be enough. So I've got 1 kilogram of rice and 1 kilogram of chicken. I've got all my spices, everything's all ready. Let's rock and roll. First of all, I'm gonna mix my diced chicken. Look at this biryani mix. Let's give it a good mix.
All mixed.
All the crushed onions and ginger. That's garlic paste. And mix it a little bit. Some salt. I'm going to use half. Use that much. Now goes in the rice to make sure you mix it in thoroughly. So everything's made up, and I've also got my bamboo sticks ready. I've cleaned them inside and out. I'm going to fill it up about a third because obviously it needs to raise inside. So it's time to fill up these bamboo sticks with the biryani I made. So that's it, third way. I need to stuff the tops with banana leaves, and then I'm going to put flour dough on it just to seal it so no steam comes out of it. You need to make sure it's sealed tight. Okay, so I'm going to put the banana leaves in first. Okay, so there you go. Banana leaves, flour dough. I'm going to use that to seal the tops of the bamboo sticks. There you go. And pour some kerosene in it. There you go. And ready to light up. So give it about 10-15 minutes, wait till it's settled, and then we're going to put the sticks on. So here it is, I'm just going to do the honors now. Bamboo stick. Bismillah. That's the second one. Okay, next. Next. Okay guys, I think it's almost done now. It's been about 40 minutes, and I'm just going to open up the top just to see if there's any water in it, because if there's water then I need to let it let the air out so it kind of dries out. So here's the banana leaves. There's a lot of water in it, so I'm going to leave it open. Yeah? Okay. This is almost done. 5 more minutes. Step number 7. Enjoy. This is it now, it's all ready. I'm gonna open up the bamboos and pour it onto a plate, and we're all gonna eat the traditional way on kola pata. So kola pata is banana leaves, and traditionally in Bangladesh they used to eat rice on the floor because obviously they didn't have plates and stuff, or potteries and cutleries or anything. Also Bengalis don't eat with fork or knife, we always use our hands. It's a traditional way of eating here. Okay, so hot. Look at that. You see it? Dada? And give it a good stir. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is delicious. This looks beautiful. There's still a bit left in the stick, so we're gonna cut it open. Wow. They say sharing is caring, and we're all going to share this straight from the bamboo. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Never had a biryani like this in my life. And that in a bamboo stick. I'm already sweating. But I'm really satisfied. I'm really happy.